Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie Dison and today I am doing a review slash first impression of the new Joah Brow Down to Me Duo Brow Pencil and Gel. So as you see, I have it on right now, but if you want to see me try it on and my thoughts, opinion, and the price and everything like that, then just keep on watching. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe before you leave because that helps me and my channel out so freaking much. And to Joah, great product. Alright, so you can tell I did all of my makeup besides using my brow product. So these are my natural brows. I haven't brushed them. I haven't done nothing with them. So today we are going to go over this new product that just came out on the Joah website and CVS's website. It's the Joah Brow Down to Me Duo Brow Pencil and Gel. So it has a gel included and it's that angled tip, water resistant, so this would be good for like the poolside if you're one of those people that has to have their brows done before, or you know what I mean, you like wearing some makeup in the pool. Me personally, I don't really care about my brows being done, but interesting to know. So yeah, I'm going to go over it. Like, this is a, oh by the way, it's in the color brunette. This is what the product looks like outside of the packaging. It looks cute so far. Okay, so let's try this out. I'm going to first do this. I'll fill it in first and go over some of the things I know about it. I have a little sheet right here that was telling me some points to talk about while I kind of applied it and tried it out for you guys. If you want to know what else is on my face, just look in the description box below. Or if you want to know how I felt at the end of the day about this product, check the description box below. I'm going to start with the tail first, underneath. And the first thing I'm going to go over with is this product. The only thing I could find that was like somewhat comparable to it was the Nudist product. If you look up Nudist like brow, you'll see that they have a duo one, but in the Nudist, of course that is more of a high-end brand, so it's cost more, and their gel is clear, and this one I believe is colored. So but the Nudist is $26, and if this one works just as good, it's half the price. It is $10.49, or at least that's what I paid for it on CVS's website. It might be less or more. It might be more. But yeah, that's how much I paid for it. And I do recommend ordering from CVS's website instead of Joah because you will get your stuff a whole lot faster if you use CVS's website. Plus, I got a care pass, so I saved 10 bucks there, and they have like a bunch of coupons. Oh, here is this, what it looks like, the brow gel part. But yeah, you pay like half the price as the Nudist one. So far, I really like it. Seems to be really easy to apply. Oop, I used the tip accidentally. That was my bad, not the brow product. You see that one like wants to stick up. That's what I'm trying to get down. I don't know if this product's going to be long lasting or not yet. Like I said, you can check my description box below to find out. Okay, so that little hair just doesn't want to go down, so I'm just gonna, I don't don't know, probably just go without it going down. But look, before, after. That is beautiful. I love this product. I think this is my favorite. They have a lot of brow products, but I think this one's my favorite now out of all of them. Another thing to note is that the Joah one, I was, you know, comparing the Joah with the Nude Sticks one, because that's all I found to compare it to. But the Nude Sticks, they only have 5 shades, and Joah has 6. So that's another plus for using Joah over Nude Sticks. I've not used the Nude Sticks ones, so, but I did hear that their gel to their brow product is what everybody likes. Like, it's not so much the pencil that the people prefer, is the gel, and they don't sell it separately. Joah does sell some brow gel that's separate, so that's another plus too. If you just want a gel, you can try out the Nude Stick, or you can check out the Joah one, and they sell their gels separate. But like I said, I hadn't tried the Nude Sticks one. I used to have it on my like wish list ever so often. I just never got around to doing it because, as you can tell, my brows are pretty anyways. Like, they're pretty full, and like I can get by without doing my brows. And sometimes I forget to do them, so it's like not a big deal to not have a brow product. So I usually just go with drugstore brands. But it's worth a try if you're tired of paying the high price of Nude Sticks and you like that product. It's worth a try to try this one. You might really like it. It seems like this has a very smooth look to it. It doesn't look bad at all. I love it so far. It seems to be blending well. Like, when I mess up, I can just use my fingers to, you know, clean it up. Like, if you like that look, it seems to be working pretty good by just standing the hairs up like that, because I know some people like that. I'm not into that, but I like to go that way and then comb them down, which I probably shouldn't do since this is a color, but that's what we did. But like I said, I don't know if it's going to fade out through the day. You're going to have to check my description box if you want to know that. Because when I post this, I should know by then if it's going to fade or not. As you can tell, I kind of went a little cray-cray. So I'm going to put a little foundation on the back of my hand, and I'm going to get a little angled brush to clean it up. But I looked, and a lot of people, like, a con for the Nude Sticks that I saw was that the gel, oh well, that's good. My brush just broke, but I think I fixed it in time. That the gel part of the Nude Sticks pencil ran out before the color. Hopefully that doesn't happen with this, because that's cray-cray. But I won't know that until way later. So if you're watching this like a month later or more, then ask me and I might remember. Now, it doesn't seem like it has a fuzzy line like from the gel part or anything. And that was another con that Nude Sticks was having. It looks perfect to me. I like it. Another con was that it was hard to draw a shape at the ending point. I say, yeah, because of the angle. Like, it's not no brow wiz, so, yeah, I can, because the point's gone from where I started, and as you can tell, this point is a lot better, but then it wear down, so this point was a little bit harder, and, yeah, but it's not a big deal. It's just because of how it's shaped. This one's pretty much exactly the way the Nude Sticks looked. that's pretty much my first impressions slash review of this Joah product, the Joah Brow Down To Me Duo Brow Pencil in Gel in the color brunette. Yeah, I'm gonna go do my intro and outro, and I'll be right back with you. Alright, that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope you enjoyed it because, yeah, I gave you a review of the new Joah Brow Down To Me Duo Brow Pencil in Gel. But yeah, I will see you buddies next time. Bye!